Welcome to the CoilStacker tutorial. CoilStacker is a complementary tool designed for the Lankhorst KLP roll-stop systems. In this video, you will learn everything you need to know to create your first project. But before we start, what is the purpose of CoilStacker? The purpose of CoilStacker is to configure your system and see how many coils you can store, verify if your storage configuration is safe, and visualize your layout and see what pieces you need to order. To start your first project, it is good to have the following information ready. That information being your available length, the outer diameter of the biggest coil, and the weight of the coils. With that in mind, we can get started. Firstly, enter your desired project and stack name. After that, select your preferred system type. For more information about the different systems, you can visit our website by scanning the QR code or visiting coilstorage.com. In this case, we will go with the KLP Rollstop 100 3-level, on which we can stack up to 3 coils high. When you have decided which system you want to use, you can enter the length of the available space. When you are done, click Next. Now it is time to enter the outer diameter of the biggest coils that you want to store. This calculates the gaps needed between the blocks. If you want different spacing between the blocks, you can always choose to enter the gaps manually. To continue, press Next. The last step in creating your first project is adding the coils. If you want, you can give the coils a name. If you don't, it will show the diameter and mass of the coils. You can also adjust the outer diameter if necessary. After that, you can enter the weight of the coils. Finally, you can choose how many coils you want to add. Next to it, you will have the option to fill the entire system with coils. If you are ready, you can click Add Coils. Now, your system will be generated and the coils are added. You have now successfully created your first project. Next, we want to get familiar with all the buttons. So first off, let's start at the bottom left. Here we have the buttons for adding coils and blocks to customize your stack. When we move over to the top, you will see the navigation bar. Here, you can manage your stack and your project. The History button allows you to undo and redo your changes. The View button is for configuring what data is visible on the screen. Next to it is the Settings button that allows you to change the measurement system, and if you need help while using CoilStacker, you can click on the Help button to show more information. Right next to the navigation bar, we have buttons for Undo and Redo, and a button for changing the language. If we then move over to the bottom right, we have our last button. This button sends you to a form where you can fill out your information so we can come in contact with you. Your custom stack will be automatically shared with us. This next part is all about customizing your stack. Click and hold a coil to grab it, then drag it to the desired location. When a coil is placed in an unsafe location, CoilStacker will give you a warning, stating why it is not safe. You might have noticed that the coils have 2 buttons on them. These are the Delete and Edit buttons. To quickly duplicate a coil, hold Alt or Option while dragging a coil. To quickly delete one, hold Option or Alt and click the coil. We are now moving on to the last part of this tutorial, which is getting results by generating a parts list. To do that, head over to the top left and click on Parts List. This will generate a parts list on which you can see the estimated parts needed to build your system. These are the basics of the CoilStacker software. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Together, we ensure safe coil storage worldwide.